how to set up Instagram shop. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can set up a shop for your Instagram page. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into Facebook Business Manager. Now I understand we're not in Instagram right now, and I understand, don't worry, the option for that is available over here. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to connect your Instagram account. It's very simple. You just come over here into your inbox, and you're gonna see all of your messages over here, and over here you're gonna be prompted to connect to your Instagram account, and you can just simply go ahead and connect it. It's really simple. It's really easy. And then once you've connected it, you're good to go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over here and click on business setting. All right, or if you don't find this over here, just click on all tools and it will pop up over here right underneath businesses. All right, so as you can see over here underneath manage, you will see business settings. So we're just going to click on business setting, wait for a couple of seconds, and once it pops up, we're good to go. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to click on this search icon right here. We're going to click on search icon, and then we have these pop up, and over here you can search for commerce manager and just simply click over here. But as you can see in recently viewed, I have it over here, so I'm just simply going to click on commerce manager, and it's going to open up the manager for my commerce. All right, and over here we're basically going to add our shop. So to add our shop, just simply click on add shop over here. This will allow you to add a shop for your business, and you will be able to choose a catalog to connect to your shop, right? And you have to create a catalog as well. Catalog, it's basically all of your inventory, all of your products that you want to sell. It's going to be stored over here. So let's go ahead and create that before we create a shop. All right, so over here select the type. So select the type of your catalog. So let's just say we have an e-commerce product like shirts and pants and stuff like that. We're going to click on e-commerce, and we're going to click on next, and now we're going to click on upload the product info and connect to a partner platform. What this will do is it will connect to a platform like Shopify or BigCommerce or more, and then you can go ahead and do that, or you can upload a product information on your own. And over here you can add like your owner and your catalog name and stuff like that, and just simply click on create, right? And you're finished. Just simply click on view catalog, and your catalog will be ready over here, and you can view them. Just wait a couple of seconds. Boom, here we go. Now over here you will have on the left side, you will have items, sets, issues, and events and stuff like that. So we're going to click on items. Over here all of your items that you have added are going to be stored over here, and as you can see there is no item yet, so we just simply click on add item and add multiple items or add one item at a time. So it all depends on you. Just going to go ahead and add multiple items. And over here we have manual way, we have data feed, partner platform, pixels as well. So if you already want to connect your Shopify store, then you can go ahead and connect your store, and it'll be easy as that, and all of your products that your store has will be connected over here, and they will be moved over here. Or you can go ahead and fill out this manually. So for now I'm going to fill out manually, and boom, there we go. So I'm just simply going to click on add new item. All right, over here we're going to enter the name of the product, we're going to add a description, we're going to add a website link, we're going to add a price, sale price, and select category. And after that we can select condition, status, brand, and stuff like that. It's really simple. It's really easy. So let's go ahead and add some images over here. Let me see if I have some images available. And once you've found your shirts, just simply select them. All right, for now I'm just simply going to select this one and drag them over here and drop them. One image wasn't uploaded because it was smaller than 500 pixels. Oh my god. All right, let's go ahead and choose the file real quick. I'm gonna come over here, maybe this one. No, it was still smaller. What is this? What about this one? All right, so as you can see, we have uploaded that image. We're just simply gonna save, and over here I'm just simply gonna write white shirt over here, and over here we can just add in the online store. I think it was over here. We'll just copy this link and we'll just paste the link over here, and then we'll just call it let's just say 1500. And over here for sale price, if we have it, we'll just call it 1000. And in category we'll just call this clothing and accessory. We have clothing. Yeah, condition, it'll be brand new, active, in stock, and we have 1 out of 1. And once you've added everything, just simply click on upload item, wait for a couple of seconds because your items are going to be uploaded, and then you can add them to the shop. All right, so boom, as you can see we have our item added. Now what we're going to do, So we're gonna go back to Commerce Manager and over here, and as you can see, we have created the catalog. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on add shop. We're gonna click on add shop so that we can add the shop. And over here, as you can see, this is it. Over here, we'll have fast, secure checkouts, your subscriptions, and stuff like that. This is the Instagram shop or Facebook shop, whatever you want to call it, right? We're going to choose it for Instagram. We're going to click on next. And then we will have the sales channels over here. We can change our sales channels. So we have this one over here. This is going to be our sales channels, or we can create a new page, brand new page if you want, or we can edit the page itself. This one, we want to show all accounts. You want to select, let's just say this account right here, this sales channel can be selected. And over here, since as you can see, we don't have my Instagram page is a good Instagram page because it doesn't have a presence, because I don't have more activity on there. I don't use Instagram a lot, so that's why we can't save that. But we are good to go, right? Anyway, when you click on next and then just simply choose the sales panel, you're gonna choose your Instagram page. Then you will choose your product catalog that you've added. Then you will have checkout method over here. When you click over here, you'll have the checkout method. So you have checkout on another website, checkout with Facebook, Instagram, or checkout with messaging. It all depends on you. If you choose checkout on another website, what that means is basically if you are selling your products on a website that isn't partnered with the business manager, then people will be redirected towards that website and they will check out from there. And yeah, that's basically it. But if you want to check out with Facebook and stuff like that, then you are gonna have to turn on shop pay by Shopify payment and stuff like that. And since we want a shop on our Instagram page, we're gonna choose that so that we can pay it. And then we'll just simply click on next. Boom, there we go. And after that, just simply click on next, and you will have your offer standard delivery, offer expedited delivery, offer express delivery, whichever delivery you want. We're going to offer standard, and we're going to offer express delivery as well. So for standard delivery, it's just going to cost you $5, all right? And cost per additional item, it's going to be, let's say, $5. And basket minimum fee is going to be $2, and estimated delivery days is going to be, let's say, 2 to 3 days. And if you want express delivery, then it's going to cost you a little bit more. We're going to say 10, we're going to say 5, we're going to say 2, we're going to say 1 to 2 days. There we go. And once you have everything ready, just add in your business email, your customer service email, and check this box and just simply click finish setup, and your will create your shop and you are good to go. So as you can see, it's done, it's delivered, it's ready to go. After that, you just have to set up a delivery and return option and a setup, a payout, and after that you can just simply click on finish and boom, you're good to go. So that's how you basically create a shop for Instagram or for Facebook or whatever you want, or both. It all depends on you. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications. And having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.